Yes guys, welcome to a brand new video. My name is Cohnan and today I got a very special announcement to share with you guys. Now you guys are probably wondering, Cohnan, what the heck was in that box? Well, what was in a box were products of a brand new supplement company I'll be working with. Now before I share with you guys who my new supplement sponsorship is with, I first just want to explain why I'm leaving my other one. So as you guys know, I used to be sponsored by Myprotein. They're pretty much one of the biggest supplement companies out there. They're pretty much known worldwide. And now you're probably wondering, Cohnan, why did you leave this company for another company? And I'll be honest with you guys, I have been using their supplements and whatever for the longest time, like ever since I pretty much got into fitness when I was like 16, 17 years old. And when I had the opportunity to be sponsored by them, like I was super excited. It was pretty much a dream come true. But I realized very soon afterwards that because they're such a big company and because they have so many other sponsorships with different people and different athletes, I was pretty much just one out of like 100 or even like 1,000 of their other athletes. So I didn't really feel like I was like part of a team or like part of a family or like part of a community. I was pretty much treated as like just another athlete. And now obviously because they are such a big company and they're sponsored by other athletes like, I don't know, Brendan Harding, Matt Does Fitness, Mike Thurston, like all these big other fitness influencers, I didn't really expect to like be treated like them necessarily, like not at all. But obviously like because I'm such a small like influencer, I was like way down in the pecking order. Like I didn't really get the attention or like the love or like just kind of what I wanted out of a sponsorship. So that was the biggest thing that kind of like turned me off. Like even though the supplements, yeah, I mean they're very cheap, like they're having sales on pretty much 24/7. I mean just the whole community aspect of it, like I didn't really feel like I was part of a community or like part of a family, and it was just kind of difficult for me to like enjoy working with them, if that makes sense. Now don't get me wrong, I have nothing against their supplements or the way they work or the way their business is run. Like I absolutely have nothing against it. I mean their protein powders, their creatine, BCAAs, whatever, everything they have, like it's not bad. Like obviously like people enjoy it, it's affordable, and again it is pretty good quality. So there's absolutely nothing against like the quality of their products or anything. It was mainly just again the way they kind of like ran things with their athletes and like stuff like that. So I mean obviously like again nothing against them, I just feel like it wasn't like a good fit. And so while I was under Myprotein, I got approached by a lot of different supplement companies out there, and honestly most of them I just ignored because I was again pretty happy with Myprotein. But it wasn't until this one specific supplement company reached out to me, which I mean they didn't just reach out to me by DMs, they literally wanted to call me like through phone, like person to person, which is something that no other supplement company has ever done with me. Like them actually taking the time to like want to call me and like get on the phone call for like 30 minutes to like explain everything. And it was super exciting to like actually hear someone else's voice and like hearing like the owner of the company talk to you in person and kind of like explain the way things go. That got me really excited. And so after that phone call ended, I decided to switch from Myprotein to this brand new supplement company, which is, drumroll please, Clout Power. So obviously many people don't know or have never even heard of this company before, and that is honestly, believe it or not, that is like one of the biggest things that kind of like got me into the company, because they're relatively still a kind of new company, but they're a very fast growing company, and I almost just wanted to like be part of their growing process. I wanted to like grow with them, and with everything they're offering me, it sounded very appealing. So I decided to join the Clout Power team. So they sent me a pre-workout, a pump product, and a sleeping product, along with a couple pre-workout samples in here as well. So I'll be trying all of these products out in today's video. So considering that it's pretty late, I'm gonna go to bed right now, and then tomorrow morning I'll be trying out the brand new pre-workout powder, and I'm actually gonna stack it with the pump product, see how it goes, and then tomorrow night I'm gonna be trying out the power off. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alrighty guys, so just got off work and we're about to go train, so I am very much looking forward to this. In my bag right here we got the Clout Power pump product. So considering that, I mean it's not that late, it's only like 2 o'clock right now, but considering that I actually haven't had any caffeine like this past week, because I started to notice that even like when I had a coffee in the morning, I didn't really feel the effects of like the stimulant caffeine kind of like hitting me. So I decided to take like an entire week off all stimulants, because obviously over time your body builds like a tolerance towards it and you don't really feel the effects anymore. So if you guys do happen to be in a similar case as mine, I do highly recommend to like cycle off it for at least a week, just to like kind of get your body resensitized to it, because after taking like a week off, like you should feel feel it like so much harder. So yeah, for today though, we're just gonna be sticking to the pump product. So this should be caffeine free. Ingredients in here are L-citrulline, 5,000 milligrams, which is a pretty good amount. Some creatine HCl, only about 1,000 milligrams, which isn't too bad. And then it's got a bunch of other stuff like sodium, Himalayan pink salt to be exact, some magnesium and potassium to kind of help you with like the pump. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. This is the watermelon slushy flavor. So as you guys know, we don't dry scoop, we put it into our water. So we're about to mix this up and then go train. Can I just say, I really like the design. Like, I don't know, it's like you got the weird logo here, like the face, and then in the background they just got a bunch of like weird designs. It looks really cool actually. Well, let's open her up. Oh, I'm really hoping the scoop isn't like in the bottom of this tub, because I don't see it. Oh, I don't want to put my finger in here, that's so gross. Man, it's deep down there. Tastes pretty good. Let me grab a spoon. Okay, got my spoon. Oh, I feel it. Well, that's way down there. Oh my god. Oh, that's not even the spoon. It's the stupid little bag. That really upsets me. Oh, I think I feel something else. This should be it. This has to be it. What else will be in here? Okay, I see it. I know that's the scoop. There we go. Come on, please. Okay, we have acquired the scoop, which to be fair, this is a pretty large scoop. So yeah, we'll just do one heaping scoop of this stuff right here. All right, so we got one full scoop going in about 300 milliliters of water. So here we go. Man, like my car is a mess right now. Like I got powder everywhere, got a freaking spoon down there. Like, this is a mess. I probably should have done this inside a gym somewhere, but it's all good. Let's give this a quick taste test, and then I'll sip on this on my journey to the gym, or I guess my drive to the gym, and then it should be fully in my system by the time I get there, ready to absolutely smash the weights. So here we go, taste test. Wow, that's pretty good. It tastes like watermelon. Hence the name watermelon. But yeah, no, honestly, this is quite nice. Like it's nice. Like it's nice. Whatever that means. I give it like 8 out of 10, like taste wise. So hopefully performance wise, it'll kind of give me a pump. So yeah, that'll be that. I'll see you guys in the gym. Alright guys, so as I'm eating my post-workout meal, I will say the workout itself was absolutely amazing. I stepped foot in the gym and immediately I felt the energy. I was high in energy and it was just a solid workout. So definitely I do feel I got a pretty good pump as well in the gym. Blood flow was really good. Focus was really good as well. So yeah, overall a very good quality product. I recommend it. Okay, now I'm very excited to try this. So as you guys know, sleep is absolutely crucial when it comes to building muscle, recovering, and just overall feeling good and like just feeling energized throughout the day. So sleep is absolutely crucial. I actually mentioned this in my last video as well, but I actually attribute my higher testosterone levels to actually increasing my sleep. So guys, do not sleep on sleep because it is so underrated, but it is so crucial for pretty much your entire quality of life. So if you're not already, get on your sleep. Anyway, that is why I'm so excited to try this, because this is actually a sleeping product. So it's called Power Off, and basically, in short, it's supposed to help you improve your sleep. So basically what's in here is glycine, which, and I'm just reading it off the label here, glycine stimulates the production of serotonin, the feel-good hormone that helps elevate mood, improve sleep quality, and enhance cognition and memory. And then along with that, it's got gamma, dimagnesium, L-theanine, estrogen, and celery seeds. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. This is the blueberry pomegranate flavor, so we're actually about to head over to bed right now. So yeah, I'm assuming you should drink this before bed. So here we go. Cheers. Oh wow, that's good. That's more than just nice. It's nice. It's nice. That's insane. Wow. I really like that. They nailed this flavor. I really enjoy that. So yeah, hopefully like I'll let you guys know in my next video how I think this is and if it actually works or not. But flavor wise, it's really good. So I'm hoping this will kind of like put me in like a sleepy mood or do something. So I don't even know. I hope it's not like a placebo thing, but we'll see. Anyway guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. So before I go, a big shout out to Clout for sponsoring me. I'm looking forward to working with them, and I'm very excited what the future holds. So again, if you guys are interested in picking up some of these products, whether it be the Power Off sleeping product, a pump product, or a pre-workout, hit the link in my bio, use my code, and you'll save a bit of money as well, and you'll support me as well. And I even got protein powders as well, which I hopefully should get in the next couple of weeks, so I'll let you guys know how that is. But they do have protein powders as well, if that's what you're interested in. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to go give this video a thumbs up. I would highly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.